We're here at the Wheaton-Dumont headquarters. I've been coming here for, let's say, 30 years now. But when I was maybe 5 years old, I'd go with Dad to the elevator. So we would go to the elevator, we'd drop off the grain, but we'd go in the scale house back then. Now everyone's just trying to get through as efficiently as possible. But back then, you could stop at the scale house, go in, buy a soda, run around the thing. I can't really do that anymore, but today, we had to make a small little change on my account for better access to my contract. See those, know my position, be able to call the guy and be able to say, hey, let's talk this through. Here's kind of what I want to do. We're rolling up on harvest here pretty quick, so me and the elevator are going to have a lot of interactions in the next couple months. We're combining some corn. It's been, it was a little rough. I tried to replant some of it, and it didn't amount to much of anything, so really wasn't worth the time. We opened up the field last week, but it's still kind of wet. So we let it dry for a little while and get back to it. And now we're just trying to zoom it off. So we're at around 18%, 19%, which is good. The replant that we did is hit the 22, 23%. The dryer's not going to pick up on, if you got a 28% and it's 100 bushels or something, 50 bushels, the dryer's not going to pick up on that. So then you got a bunch of wet stuff in your bins, and you got that kind of mess to figure out. I'm like Brock Purdy now. Did you ever see that video of him? His machine was nicer than mine though. Not because, it was the wrong color, but it was newer. Now we're unloading. You can see out the side here. His name's Carl. Seasonal help. It's pretty good. It's a better mechanic than me, I think.
My name is Carl, and I'm helping Ryan with his corn harvest this fall. He's pretty funny. He wrecks stuff, but he's learning too, I think. I know he grew up out here, but I know he's been away from it. So he's teaching me all the stuff.
Slow way down. Let me catch up. Slow even more down. I don't think you can hear me. Earlier this year, when I was combining soybeans, I just pulled up the Bushel farm app and then got the yield in there now that it was finalized. And I had my up-to-date profit loss statement while I was still in the field. If I'm seeing great yields, I punch in some offers, and that's something a little special. We're getting the dryer set up here today, so we can show you back in here. So this is our control box. This is fully autonomous. You can calibrate your top monitor, your top wet sensor and your dry sensor, and then you let it do its thing. I'm actually impressed with it. Some people told me it doesn't work, but I was like, I'm just gonna let it do its thing, and it does its thing pretty well.
Based on how things went this year, are you feeling like you're going to do it again next year?
Ooh, I don't know. That's still up in the air. I feel like I can do it just fine. I think this year went fine. The farm will make money. So I'm not concerned about that. It's just, I love doing it. So it's just really it's like a lifestyle thing, I guess. I don't know. I don't really have a good answer for you right now. Check back with me in January. No, I'm grateful for a lot of stuff. I'm grateful for a lot of people in my life. I'm grateful for Mother. She's always wanting to help. I'm grateful for Mia. I'm grateful for you guys. It's been an interesting and challenging year. I got rain delays and stuff you got to figure out, and things don't always work the way you want it to work, and most old-time farmers are probably getting a kick out of it because it's par for the course. I get it. I think Dad would be looking down smiling on some of these 200 bushel yields that we're pulling off. He'd be happy with that. This shit's fucking hard.